Hey, Mark Nelson from marknelsononline.com. Today what I want to do is I want to show you how you can make your own ebook using a free tool called canva.com. Before I get into that though, if you're new to my channel, head down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that little bell. You can get all the notifications so I can help you get to the spot you want to get to in your business. So what I want to do is show you today is how you can make your own ebook using canva.com. And I am at my home page. It's canva.com, and it's called, in here you can see a lot of different things. There's a paid version and a free version. I use a free version, but you can create any design. You can use custom dimensions, but it has social media, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnail, and I use this for my blog. These are my blog posts. They might be my YouTube posts. But all of these things I just make by myself. I upload an image, and then I can put in text, and we can go from there. That's not what I'm here for today. I'm going to show you how to do your own ebook. This is really kind of easy. So the first thing what you're going to do is we're going to go over and hit this more sign. And here are all the different things you can create. You can create social media posts, you can create documents, letterheads, whatnot, resumes, blogging, ebooks. And that's kind of what I wanted to go for. So when you get to this, again, this is all free. This is canva.com, canva.com. And you can go to book covers, and I'm just going to hit this one, and I'm going to show you all the different. This is where I made my ebooks from. And it's extremely easy. And what you do is when the designs come up, see, you can use all these designs, and they're free. Now, there are some paid ones, but I'm cheap. I go for the free one. And what you do is you get these on, and I'll just grab one, and then you just make it your own. Let me grab this one, and here's what I'll show you what happens. So this pulls this up, and it's at 17%, so we're going to make it a little bigger. That's off too much. So what happens is when you click on that, that's what they put in. That's the text. So I'm just going to delete it. I think I'm going to delete it. I am going to delete it if it'll go away for me. There we go. This little bar they have up there, and I'm going to delete that. I'm going to take all this away. Now you can see there's some polka dots back there. That is their thing. But I want to get a blank slate. And I have no idea what you want to do. And I'll just show you how this thing goes. And this is just going to be a quick, easy. Okay, so I have a blank slate for an ebook cover, and then I'm going to copy this page because I want a second one, and I'm going to make the cover for my ebook. And the first thing I'm going to do is I need an image up here, so I'm just going to go to uploads, and these can be uploaded from your computer. I'm just going to say that these are mine, but these are all images that I've uploaded and put into Canva to make new designs from. And you can have your own. I have my own little folders of things I go. This, of course, I'm going to brand me. So I'm going to put that image there. And let's just say that I want to twist it. Now again, I'm going to move it over. I am not a designer, and I don't intend to be. So then I'm just going to go get some text. And I'm going to add a heading. And the heading shows right up here. So I'll just grab that and bring it up higher, and you can see as I move it, it kind of tells me I'm centered. There we go. I'm going to bring it up here. It tells me I'm centered. And when it's blue, it says I can start typing. So let's just say that I'm in health and wellness. So my free PDF is this. 5 tips for losing, oops, gotta spell that right, losing 10 pounds, spell that right, because it's a title, I'm going to capitalize it, sorry, in 30 days. And that's what I'm going to talk about. Now I can make this smaller. First of all, this is, I can change font, and I do change fonts a lot, and I go with different ones. I'll play with them. Sometimes I like pretty plain stuff. So I'll put this Arvo there, and it changes it as soon as my internet works. It's working. So it changed the font. I can make it bigger or smaller. I can make this screen bigger or smaller. I'm going to put this back in the middle again. And I'm going to just get that there. Now you can see, oops, wrong spot. There we go. You can see I am not a designer, but you can play with this and make it your own. So as I head out here, let's just say what we got going. I'm going to go to the second page. And I'm going to put in some more text. And sometimes, sometimes what it did, it went up on top, so I actually got to grab that. You can see I get the 4 arrows, and I got to bring it down. And believe me, I don't know why that does that. And there it is. And I'll start typing. And this is the hardest part, is you got to have a text box for everything. So the first, oops, the first key to losing weight, and again, I'm not spelling right. Hang on here. Losing. And I misspelled that again, so let me go back in here. I got to put an O in a space. Now, see, this is what I like about this. I can highlight this. The weirdest part about Canva, if I'm changing colors of my font, and I can change all colors, I can do one word, I can do the whole box. But now what I also want to do, the first key to losing weight, I just made that. So I want to put a link in there. And I'm just going to put HTTP and I'm just going to say apply. That's my website, marknelsononline.com. So I have a link inside here. Now if I want to do something different, I can go back, I can put in another image, I can put in another thing. Anything you want to do, you can make as your ebook. Now I'm not going to go in any further than that, because that's all you have to do. And you need to get in here and play around with it by yourself. So I'm going to, what I just did up here, this typographic for kids, I'm going to grab that and I'm going to put a new title in. I'm going to say Mark's Training Ebook. And I'm just going to say done. Okay, I'm going to click off that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it. I'm going to click off that so everything's ready. And when I go download, it tells me, do you want this to be a PDF? And it's recommended. And yes, I do. So what it does, as soon as I hit download, that is putting that on my computer. Now, how cool is that? So let me pull it up. There it is. Now again, I just grabbed one. And there's my image. That's probably not a very good image to use because it's blurry, and that's just the image. That's not Canva. Let me go back and show you some that I've done. Um, this is a training book I've done earlier. It's 27 scripts to help you recruit 3 to 5 people per work, guaranteed. Now this is at 51%, but let me bring it out. And I just want to show you that image, the same image I used. And that image looks really good. It's clear. It just was a wrong image to pull up on the one I did before. But this one, the 27 scripts, is when I went through, you can see I used a book cover here, put in my colors, and then I made my ebook. So how cool is that? So there you go. Now, if I hit the wrong Canva, very sorry. I'm going to try to get back to what I have up here. Hang on here. I've lost my image. Where? That's not it either. There's my book cover. I'll get there. I think it's, is it right there? Nope, that's another one I'm working on today. So I guess I'm not going to pull it up. Here's the deal. Closing mastery. I want to get this thing for itself. I don't want to share screen anymore. I guess I don't know how to do that. Anyway, here we go. I'll mess with those figures later. Inside this book is a checklist for you to make sure you're doing those things that you need to be doing. So to grab that, head over to marknelsononline.com/6daily-steps, marknelsononline.com/6daily-steps, and get your free ebook. Hey, we will talk again soon. You all take care. Bye.